Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So, some of you may know me. My name is Patrick. I have my own recruiting agency here in Greece. My agency is currently actually looking for Italian-speaking candidates who want to work as a content moderator for Facebook. So this is actually your chance as an Italian speaker to work for one of the biggest companies in the world. Now, obviously the work will be here in Greece, but if you're interested and you're not in Greece yet, don't worry, we've got you covered. All candidates that are hired will receive a fully paid relocation package, meaning we will actually pay for your flight, your transfer from the airport to your hotel, and 2 weeks hotel. Now, if you want to know more about this job, or if you want to apply, go to my website. I will put a link down in the description box below, and I hope to see you very soon, and let's get started. So, Italian speakers, content moderation for Facebook. See you soon. Bye.